What's up, people? Alright, so today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. We're going to be doing a collab with my fellow YouTuber, Jay Jay Ghatt. And what we're doing is we're going to see who can upgrade their YouTube studio the best. Right after this. Welcome back. If you're new to the channel, I'm Kedrick Foster. I do unboxings and reviews of all the latest tech. So if you like that type of content, hit that like and that subscribe button. But like I said earlier, we're going to be doing something a little different this video. So first we're going to go take a look at my YouTube setup, see everything I got in here. If you have been watching the channel, this might be about my third YouTube studio tour, and it's been changing and it's been evolving. So it's going to be different from the last time you've seen it. So we're going to check mine out, and then we're going to get a sneak peek of JJ's. Also, I'll have the link to hers down in the description. So let's not waste any time. Let's get right into it. Alright, so this is my recording setup. So what I use right here, this is my camera. I'm using a Sony a6400. Now, if you look at these two poles, don't laugh at me, but these are like some type of construction tool which will help you like hold up wood while you're doing construction work. So that's not what this is made for, but this is what I got holding up my lights. See, I got this little curtain rod up here. I got some zip ties holding that in place, and then I got my two lights hanging off of that. And I also have my Canon M50 up there to shoot my overhead shots. I don't have it plugged up right now, but that's what I used to get my overhead shots. That's the wires from it, run down the pole and go into there. I also have this little LED panel, helps me light things that I have on the desk. So let me see if I can get it powered on. There you go. That's what up. So sometimes this might be somewhere in here to, if it would stay on, but that's what I use to light the products sometimes if I'm doing like an overhead shot. So that's the desk. Have my computer here, my tripod there, got my Xbox TV there. And let's go over here to my, what they call practical lights. So this is just a blue LED that I like to show in the background. This is another blue, or this can change to any color really, but it's a LED light that I'll sometimes have in the background. So we're gonna set this up and set a shot up and see what it looks like. This right here, I actually have a video on this. This is the Zoom Q2N. It's a camera, but what it really is another microphone. It's a professional quality microphone that just has a camera on it, and that camera is 4K. It records excellent audio. The video is okay. It's not the best, but it's a nice little camera to take with you if you want a second camera angle. You also can use this as a webcam, so that's pretty cool. I have this just sitting back there for decoration right now, but that's cool. This, I got this from Amazon. It's a cloud, LED cloud. You go ahead and flip it on. So a lot of times you'll see that in the background. Take it over to this side. I have my couch with the, make sure you like and subscribe. The, YouTube pillow. And I have another LED here. You go ahead and turn that on. And that's that. So this room that we're looking at right now used to be my dining room. So it wasn't really getting used, so I transformed it into my office. Let's take a look over here. So I have this strip of acoustic panels that's just running down that side, and then I have another one over here on this side. That'll help the audio quality slightly when I'm recording. And I also have this curtain here, so that also dampens the sounds, that gives me a better quality sound when I'm recording in this room. Of course, on the other side of this is a window, and these are blackout curtains, so even if it's in the middle of the day, I can control my lighting in here because I won't have any light coming through there. I also did a video on this. This used to be in the background of my YouTube setup, but when I flip my desk around, now it's over here. So this is just a custom LED panel. You can change the colors on it and all that. Also this clock, which doubles as my YouTube subscriber counter. That's also a video for this on my YouTube channel. So if you haven't seen that, go ahead and check that out. See what my subscribers is. 5.67. I appreciate y'all for subscribing. Alright, so let's see what else. Alright, so this was actually just an opening right here. I actually made these barn doors and put them on there so I can have a little bit of privacy when I'm trying to record. Don't have the kids running in here, jumping in the back of my video. So if I'm standing here, this is where I sit, record. Sit in this chair here. Camera there. My lights there. And another thing, let me show you something cool. Alexa, set studio to red. So I have everything hooked to Alexa. So if I wanted to change the color, you see it changed the color of that, change the color of the light, and it changed the color of my LED. There's also some LEDs here. You really can't see it because I have all the lights on. And there's also LEDs here, which I can change the, the temperature or the mood in the room. So that's a cool feature. Alexa, set studio to blue. So I'll put that back to blue. And I think that's about everything. One more thing that I wanted to show you is here. So I actually did end up installing this green screen. Now I haven't used this yet, but just in case I want to do something with a flat background or something like that, I can use this, pull this down, get that on out the way. And that stays up there until I'm ready to use it. So just one quick spin around the room, see how I got everything set up. I'm going to try to see if I can find a picture of what this room looked like before, and so to give you an idea of how it's progressed through my YouTube journey. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Alright, so that's pretty much it for my studio tour. Let's take a sneak peek at what Jay Jay got going on. So I must admit, her setup is pretty nice. I'm not gonna lie to you. So look, this is what we're doing. We got a competition going on. I'm gonna have the community post, the link down in the description. I want y'all to go down into that comment section, and I want y'all to vote on which setup you think is the best. You can vote for me, you can vote for JJ, or you can just say they're both nice and take the easy way out. But whatever you do, I appreciate y'all checking out the video. Again, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace out.